Today we're showing you how to save money and eat healthy by making your own homemade canned fish. 3 amazing recipes: canned tuna, sardines in oil, and sardines in tomato sauce. No preservatives, no chemicals, just fresh, natural and delicious. Let's get started. Homemade tuna in oil. Stop buying canned tuna. Make it safe and fresh at home. Ingredients: 1 kilogram fresh tuna fillets, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 to 3 bay leaves, optional, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 500 milliliters olive oil to cover, water in a big pot for boiling. Preparation: clean and cut the tuna into medium pieces. Boil water with salt, bay leaves and peppercorns. Add tuna and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Drain and let the pieces dry completely. Place tuna in sterilized jars and cover with olive oil. Seal and refrigerate, or boil jars for 30 minutes for long storage. Homemade canned sardines in oil. Ingredients: 1 kilogram fresh sardines, cleaned and gutted, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice, 1 cup olive oil or vegetable oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon peppercorns. Preparation: layer sardines in a pot with garlic. Add bay leaves, pepper, vinegar or lemon juice and pour oil to cover. Simmer on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. Cool and store in jars. Homemade sardines in tomato sauce. Save your money and make it safe at home. Ingredients: 1 kilogram fresh sardines, cleaned and gutted, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar, 1 cup olive oil or vegetable oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 bay leaf, optional, 1 teaspoon black pepper or peppercorns, 1 cup tomato puree or crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon paprika, optional for colour, ½ teaspoon sugar to reduce acidity. Preparation: clean the sardines, remove heads and guts, wash gently with cold water. Prepare the sauce. In a pan, heat oil and sauté garlic until lightly golden. Add tomato puree, salt, sugar, paprika, pepper and bay leaf. Simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Add the sardines carefully. Arrange them in the sauce in a single layer. Add lemon juice or vinegar. Cover and simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes without stirring. Cool and store. Let it cool completely. Transfer into glass jars or airtight containers. Keep refrigerated for up to 1 week or freeze for longer. And there you have it. 3 simple and delicious homemade recipes you can make yourself. Healthy, economical, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share for more natural recipes with NaturaBloom. Tell us in the comments, which one will you try first?